Hi. So in this module, you will start with very basics of Python like lists, function, conditions. This will be more of a quick revision for you, like a crash course of Python. One thing you will realize when we do this, how easy is to build some of these complex data structure in Python. Then you will learn some of new ways to storing the data in Python, such as dictionaries, tuples, which again come with a ready-made as a part of a language feature itself. You will then be able to use libraries like NumPy, SciPy to real numerical analysis tasks. NumPy and SciPy will be in some sense like a bread and butter for anyone who does data analysis using Python. I assume that you have a set of Python 3 version 3 or later in your system. We will proceed with writing our first program. Let's do that by simply trying to print a message out on your screen. So let's jump into the code now and try some of the small pieces of Python code now, which uh, we can execute and see it's an action. So basically, we should try the first printing our program, which is nothing but let's do print, and this is my first line of Python. So print is the function, inbuilt function, and you can, while executing, either you can execute through your control plus enter, which can execute in this line of interpreter itself, as well as you can do shift enter. See, you can see the message. This is the first line of code in the Python. Either you can also change the line. What we can do, print, all right, hello, and while changing the line you can try doing n, which can change the line. This is in the next line. I think that makes sense. Okay, yeah, see, you can see here we have another line. You can see these sentences comes with a new line. And okay, so let's try doing some of the arithmetic uh, codes such as a. Okay, so let me assign some of the values in some of the variables. I'm picking a as in 6 and b as in 7. That's pretty simple, but let's see. Yeah, I know you can find you all can find the such materials over the internet, but again I'm just giving you the short and simple crash course or go through in this module, so whosoever is very beginner they can follow it. Addition kind of thing. Let's see, let's do the addition. Print a blue. Let's check that. Yeah, so these can be doing the arithmetic options such as addition, and same as you can do the print with a minus b, find the answer as well. And this is nothing but a subtraction. I'll also post uh, this notebook as well after the end of the session. I will attach, try to attach in the YouTube link. Let's I did not do that before, but I will definitely try it. Subtraction. Okay, so multiply. Let's try. print a multiplied by b, right? So you can find this multiplication as well, and same as you can find using division, you can do using the remainder, or whatever the things you want to tweak, or you can use these arithmetic options and do. Okay, let's try a few of the more, such as reminder. Let's do reminder print a remind b. Let's do, yep, 6. Or you can do exponential as well, if just letting you know. Exponential, sorry, print a exponential, you can find, see, okay, I think I did something wrong. It says PRT, okay, see, you find the exponential as well. So moving ahead, we can also try you can try doing the BEDMAS, if somebody is, if can remember the class 10th or 12th maths, you can find the BEDMAS, which is nothing but, suppose we can print 4 into 5 minus 9 plus whatever you want to pick as in word divided by 6. Yep. See, you can find the answer like this one. Okay, and you can also find the, suppose you want to increment the numbers, the variable that I'm picking, suppose an increment, okay, so equal to assigning it to 9, and I want it to be increase with +1. Let's see, print increment, let's see, and I also want this increment decrease up to 2. So let's see what it says. See, earlier it has a 9 at the beginning, and I have increased up with the value 1, and it has become with 10, and then after that, at the last stage it was at 10, then I decreased the amount with 2, and now the value is 8. The same way you can do some of the boolean things, which is nothing but print, either you can do checking less than 4, you can try doing, which is the statement is true, then you can find the answer as true. The same way you can find some of the situation we need to segregate some of the data from the statement or from any of the text analysis. Doing the text analysis, we could find some of the situation. So some of the sentences we have, such as nothing but, we need to remove the space, so there is a space at the end, and I have the space. Okay, so you can find this is the space I have, and this is the, suppose this is the email address or email sentences we have, we need to filter it out and we need to segregate this one. While doing it, we could find, okay, this is the space we have, we need to remove it. So while doing it, print some of the sentences, which is the variable, we can find this is the value it is coming, and while doing it, some sentence dot r strip strip. Okay, all right, again I did something mistake. Okay, so you can find this is the space is got removed. You can find this is the space, but you can't find the space here. You cannot identify, but while copying it, you can find at the bluish blue in color. At the above, you can find there is a space, but at the below, you can't find any such of this space. And the same way, you can. Okay, so let's try doing some another thing which can help you. Increment. Okay, so suppose we have a value which is for percentage. Okay, so we have, this is the value which we need to remove the percentage sign, so we can do print increment. Okay, so this is the one, increment dot r, strip, and the thing we need to cut it out, which is percentage. So percentage, I think we need to use in the quotes. And okay, see, you can find this one, the percentage is got, symbol is got cut it out from the sentence. Again, the same way we have else strip, which acts like a similar, but uh, it removes the sentences or any later from the beginning, or you can say the left side. Suppose start equal to, um, suppose we have space here, and there is a space at the start, and we need to remove it. Print start dot strip. All right, and if I did not mention anything, okay, we'll remove the space. Earlier it has print start. See, you can find the space here at the beginning, but while doing the else strip, it removes it. And again, we have a strip function as well, which removes the white space from the both of the ends. So let's doing strip space equal to, okay, let's do, there are spaces at the both end. Okay, so print space and print space dot strip. Okay, so see, you have removed both of the spaces here. So yeah, so this all we had the session, and later on we will move ahead with some of more modules. Let's see.